It takes an entire crew to make a musical come to life. The people working behind the scenes, ensuring that every moment happens with intention. Today, we don't just recognize that crew, we pass the responsibility on.
The next group of leaders will step into roles that require commitment, service, and heart. They will represent Michigan FFA and its members and help lead our next production. Please join us as we install the 2026-2027 Michigan FFA State Officer Team.
Emma, as Vice President-elect, your record of accomplishments indicates you have those qualities of leadership which we should all possess. Your duties are to assist the President at all times in directing the work of our association, preside over meetings in her absence, and keep all committees working effectively. Michigan FFA, our new State Vice President, Emma Schroeder.
Danica and Riley, as Vice Presidents at Large-elect, you have been tasked with fulfilling the roles of the Vice President when needed and carrying out the work of our association.
Please remember the qualities of each region and carry with you the diversity of our great state. Use camaraderie, enthusiasm, and leadership to unite the members of this organization.
Michigan FFA, our new State Vice Presidents at Large, Danica Bancroft
and Riley Miller. Sean, as Secretary-elect, you've been chosen to keep accurate minutes of our meeting and to carry on the association's correspondence. You should provide the association with the order of business and committee assignments for each meeting. You will also keep a list of members, a record of degrees awarded, and have custody of the Constitution and bylaws. Michigan FFA, our new State Secretary, Sean Dahlman.
Cameron, as Treasurer-elect, you have been placed in a position of trust. Your duties require you to keep an accurate record of receipts and disbursements and to provide regular financial reports. It is also your responsibility to assist in developing the association budget and maintaining sound financial practices. Michigan FFA, our new State Treasurer, Cameron Billings.
Ryder, as a reporter-elect, your duty is to inform the public about the FFA. You are expected to work closely with the news media, including state and national FFA publications. You should keep a record of any photographs or articles published concerning the FFA and its members, and be responsible for compiling our FFA history. Michigan FFA, our new state reporter, Ryder Cornett.
Annie, as Sentinel-elect, your duties include welcoming our friends, caring for the meeting room and FFA equipment, and providing for the comfort of our members and guests. It is also your duty to assist in conducting meetings and ceremonies.
Michigan FFA, our new state sentinel, Annie Bowman.
It is an honor to be an officer in the FFA. From time to time during the year, you may encounter difficult problems, but through cooperation, hard work, and dedication, you will succeed, and the FFA will prosper. Do each of you accept the responsibilities of your office, and will you do your best to uphold the ideals and principles of the FFA? If so, answer, we do. I now declare each of you properly and duly installed in the respective office to which you were elected. May your year of service be marked by integrity, dedication, and a cooperative spirit. Seek harmony amongst your fellow officers and set high standards of leadership for all members. Ladies and gentlemen, our 2026-2027 Michigan FFA State Officer Team. We wish you the best of luck in your year together. Retiring officers, please escort the newly installed officers to their stations.